how we know.
Here's
Ready?
Daddy feeding you.
Gotta open up. Open up a little bit. Oh, that's not gonna work so well, huh? We gotta open. There we go. Boy, some juice? Are you looking at Mommy? Is she making faces at you? Yeah. Oh my goodness. There we go.
His first sippy cup.
Oh.
This is your first sippy cup, boo-boos. Has apple juice and water. Half apple juice and water. Yep. Do you like it?
A little bit more here. Yeah. All right. Gotta open up. Open up.
Look at
Good
him. Look at this. This is the
boy.
second time eating this, and you're just loving it. Are you my foodie?
Yeah.
All right. We love you, JJ. How old are you today?
I'm 5.5 months. Yeah.
Oh, wait, little cough. Oh, you're a messy eater. Look at that. All that messy mess.
It's Dad's fault.
All right.